Good morning.
Good morning,
Mwah.
Today I went to work with my dad. He owns and operates an end-dump truck. His workday begins really early in the morning. He hauls sand, gravel, rock, big heavy shit. He's a badass. He's been a truck driver for over 25 years. And yeah, going to work with him was fun, but that's not actually why I'm here today. So a couple of nights ago, we were eating dinner and I told him about how I had doodled all over a wall in my room. And he goes, "Deberías pintarme el troque," which means you should paint my truck. And I was like, "De veras?" And he said yes. So that's how I ended up here. Today I'm gonna doodle on my dad's 40-foot end-dump trailer. Actually, he corrected me, it's 30 feet. It's still huge though. I'm literally gonna be painting and drawing all over this big-ass work trailer.
Oye, está más grande de lo que pensé.
Before I started though, I made my dad sign a contract.
Get this contract signed, Simpson.
Full creative freedom, no complaints, and permission for me to basically act like a 3-year-old with paint. I'm just kidding, he didn't sign anything. But, I mean, if he absolutely hates it, I'll just paint it back to white, it's fine. So before I begin, I have to figure out how I'm gonna do this. After all, this isn't just any trailer, this is how my dad has supported our family for decades. And I've painted a lot of things before, but I've never painted something like this, or something that means so much. So I wanna do a good job, but also, not too much pressure. My dad's cool with it, as long as I paint his trailer because it's really old and rusty, and it needed a fresh paint job anyway. So now that I finalized my little design that I want to do on the trailer, it's time to prep. After teaching me how to use the pressure washer, I am on my own and I can really start this project. He actually jumped in a few times because I wasn't doing it right, but other than that, I pretty much got it. Okay, I lied. I suck at pressure washing. My dad took over. And now that he is done, I can finally begin painting. What are you doing? Starting the priming process is so satisfying. I feel like the trailer really needed it, and I'm really feeling super confident now that I'm finally putting my hands on the trailer and feeling out how much work this is actually going to take. So there were a bunch of spots that still needed cleaning, and I wanted to make sure that I did that before applying primer. The last thing I want is to have primer over the dirt, and then it's not good to paint over that. I also went ahead and pressure washed the other side. I am now much better at pressure washing. Thank you all for noticing. I am so good at this now. I could do this all day.
I can do this all day. All day, son. All day.
Alright, last few priming details, and then I decided to remove these worn out reflective strips. My husband found a 200-foot roll of it on Amazon for $14, so I figured why not? I'm already here.
The next day.
Okay, so I'm ready to begin painting, and I have all my paints here and some tools that I'm going to be using. It honestly feels kind of daunting. I think it's because I've actually never spray painted something this large before. I am now thinking that I probably should have gone with regular just oil paint instead of spray paint, but I'm all for trying it out first, so let's see how this goes. Okay, yeah, no, my gut was right. I shouldn't have done spray paint in the first place. Back to the depot. Okay, this feels so much better. I'm using an oil-based paint and the application is smoother, it's giving me much better coverage, and I feel way more confident about being able to blend my colors. For my design, I decided to do a gradient from blue to green, and I feel like trying to achieve that transition with spray paint would have been a nightmare. So this is definitely gonna work out better in my opinion. Let's keep going.
Yeah. I never let nobody with no motion try to hold me. I'm an OG, and that's the old me. The way I'm sitting nowadays, the money stacked 9 ways. I'm sipping on a latte, why they all call me bougie? Bougie, I don't want no prayers from no haters. Probably waiting on my downfall, mad that we made it. And my wins on time, why you trying to delay it? And they say it's authentic, but they wins look plated.
The next step here is to use markers.
Okay, now I can begin my most favorite part of any project, which is drawing and doodling, and I'm using my favorite markers ever for this, the size 7M nib Poshka markers. They're seriously the best. I love them so much, and in my design, I wanted to stay true to my love for drawing and doodling and Zentangle style art, so I went for a mix between these two swirly art styles that I do a lot in my content and in general, and I also wanted to add some meaning behind this drawing. As I mentioned before, my father has been trucking for decades, and it's all been for us, for his family, to get us to a better place in life, and his sacrifice and hard work has always been for his family, and I'm so grateful to God, to the universe, to life, for giving me such a beautiful soul as a dad. So I decided to do something similar to this piece here, and I included a leaf for each of us in our family. So 6 total, 1 for my mom, 1 for my dad, my 2 brothers, my sister, and then me.
Like the grass that grows, like the leaves that fall, like the moon that glows, like the light that shone, like the home in heart, like the fire in us, like the glass that gleams. You ever grow and need to know, I know, I know, I know what's meant for me. There's a northern star where you are that I follow. I know, I know, I know there's a place for me. I know, I know, I know there's a place for me. Like the words you wish you'd always said, like a hummingbird hanging in the air, like a preacher in his parapet.
Vamos a ver el
es
troque. Ok, pásale por aquí. No los voy a abrir.
No, no, no.
No los voy a abrir.
¿Qué significa?
¿Listo para ver su nueva traila?
A ver, quiero verla.
Ok, a ver, pásale por aquí.
Por aquí.
Aquí, ok. Abre los ojos.
¡Wow! ¡Ey! Te quedó preciosa, mija.
¿Sí? ¿Le gustó?
Sí.
You like
Qué
it?
bonita la pintaste, mira.
Thank you, pa.
And this is how it turned out. I didn't get to capture great shots because I was racing against time and my dad needed to get to work the next day, but here is 3 days worth of painting and doodling, and I think it looks so cute, so good, and my dad absolutely loved it. He says he got a lot of compliments from other truck drivers on the road already, so I am really happy with how it looks. There's just one problem. I didn't get to do the other side. So now I gotta finish what I started, but I'm almost wondering if this side should just be black and white doodles instead of doing the blue to green gradient. I don't know, what do you all think? I would love to hear your opinions. As always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I hope that my projects and all of my random art shenanigans inspire you to get out there, to create, paint, explore your curiosities. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. It really helps me create more content, and I'll see you all in the next one.
¿Cómo le gustó cómo quedó?
Me encantó, mija.
¿Sí?
Estoy muy agradecido
¿Ya?
contigo por tu gran trabajo que hiciste con esta traila. Me gustó.
Thank you, Pa.
Thank you, Dad.